In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Gemini on your Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, go to the address bar at the top and type in gemini.google.com, then press Enter. When the Gemini website loads, go ahead and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. After logging in, look at the top right corner of Google Chrome and click on the three dots icon. A menu will appear on your screen. From here, hover your mouse over Cast, Save, and Share. You should now see another menu appear on the side. Next, click on Install Page as App. A small pop-up window should now appear on your screen. Simply click on the Install button to continue. Chrome will now create and install Gemini as a desktop app on your Windows PC. After a few seconds, Gemini should automatically open in its own app window. You can now use Gemini just like a normal desktop application. And anytime you want to open it again, simply go to your Start menu and search for Gemini, or launch it directly from your desktop if a shortcut was created. So that's how to download and install Gemini on a Windows laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.